200 sorry. ये दो वाले. The agent is working on a long running task, and I am in a cafe now. I'm taking my coffee and agent is working. And see, the model is ChatGPT 5 mini, and it works in detail. And see, here the files basically what has changed. Now, what this agent is going to change is file this. To see the file name, I need to go up. This is the file agent panel view dot swift. So these files changed by this agent. Now one more file is going to change. I suppose below also I need to show the name of the file. So if this is currently in not auto mode is not enabled, that's why it's asking before doing anything or write to the file. If it is on, it will not ask. It will write it directly and go ahead. But I want to be it asked because I want to see what code is going to be deleted, because by mistake if it's going to delete the major code, then definitely I keep an eye on it. So according to me, the AI developer agent is like a horse on which you have to ride, not set it free to roam around. You need to take the charge, but definitely work is done by the agent, but you need to look, you need to take the charge, and you need to take the ownership of work. Run your mobile, take the coffee, and let the agent to work. Gain agent changes one more file. Let's see. Get a status view dot swift. I know all these files. That's why I just have a look. I know it's not breaking anything, so there is less red over here. I don't read. Basically, I don't put my whole mind over here, but look for something. It's not going to make the big mistake. So this is GPT 5 mini. It's working great. Yeah, that's yes, because not much change, so it's good. No problem. Currently what work is done by this agent. So basically agent is creating this tab system over here. Whenever we open anything from here or from history, from history item, tab needs to be created away. Currently there is no tab over here, so agent is developing himself. As it take time, who take time? Chat GPT 5 mini take time. But if we talk about Anthropic, Anthropic didn't take time. Google Gemini will take less time, but more than Anthropic. Grok not work at all. Elon Musk just build a dumb LLM over here basically. It doesn't work for me. DeepSeek is working great. Now DeepSeek V 3.1 is coming, and I think it's very cheap and do the same kind of work that other costly model do over there. Let me show you the credit system. This is the credit over here, and you see 0.66 like this. It's credit deducted from here. This is the project panel, project files we can see over here. Clicking it, this is the git changes as you can see, and this is the agent panel. Hide agent panel over here. Let me show you the more options. Recharge credit. With this recharge credit, if we click, recharge panel will open here so that you can do the recharge from here. Enable mobile control. If you do it, then you can control your laptop, means especially this project, from your mobile, Apple only. Join our Discord. If you have some suggestion, you can give suggestion in the Discord as well. This is the Discord link. Delete account. With this, you can completely delete your account. Even company will not know that you exist someday back, because all data of the user gets deleted. This is the Apple's privacy policy. One more changes do. Let's see what it does. It looks like it does not do anything. Yeah, it's deleted the selected file URL. That's good. And it doesn't add anything. See how micro level it is working. Yes. I think now it's going to say that I have done all the changes. Please test it. So these are the files, 8 files changed currently. And agent is going to work until the work gets completed. And whenever agent required, agent read this file. So I take my tea, I take my breakfast, or whatever. I take my burger. Agent is working, right? That's a great feeling when you create that agent, when this is your agent. One more change. Okay, that one line. Unchanged UI. History list view. Instead of pressing yes, I can ask some question over here as well from the GPD or from your agent. Okay, bye bye. If you want to see more, write some comment or just download it and try it. Just ask the question. Let me show you how I give the prompt. So this is the prompt. Where are you? No, step by step. Basically, agent gives me this option. I select one option and it continues to work. Let me show you the main prompt. This This is nearly the main prompt. If the file selected, but once the file selected, after that, if we click on the history item, then history like that. So whenever a new item over come here, you scroll down. So if you want really fast work, you can select this cloud force on it. It do the work really fast, but it's costly. It's slow. It will do your complete work, but it's slow. And what it currently did is it verify your work and it's going to be 100% correct. Oh, I think it's going to commit all the files and all the things. See here, if it's going to commit, then these all 9 changes gets committed to the branch and then it let me know. But I don't tell him to commit it, but still it's going to commit. If you find something not to be want to stop agent in between, then this is the button. This is my button. As of my experience, ChatGPT 5 is taking very longer time. It's done. Now it's time to test. Let's build it and see what it makes. Let's run it. This power is made by the agent, but I don't want this exactly. I want it to be between these. The whole area needs to be covered. So we need to complain with our agent. We don't it like this. If we click over here, it will come here, I suppose. Yeah, it will come here. But definitely, I don't want this. I want it to be vertically thin of one line, and it should be between these. It should be not like this. Everything is good, but it's not like this. Let me complain. Till our agent is working, let me show you the task in the pipeline. This is done. Currently, this task is in progress, and this is the pipeline. Basically, what I'm going to create in this project. So more exciting features are there in the pipeline. Definitely, there is a long list, but after this, the agent is going to be very interesting and enjoy to work with. These tasks gets done in this build only. This is currently in progress. Create the tab system for all the file, div, and agent history. taking too much time. Next time, I will show you the Cloud 4, how quick it is. But it understands the whole work and do the work in detail. And you get a complete non-error work with ChatGPT 5 Mini. Definitely it take time, but it will do a good work. Let's first test it, then we will give the reply which option we want for path display. Okay, so here is this. I want it to be like a tab and not like this. Basically, design needs to be improved. I think for design needs to be improved, Gemini 2.5 Pro is very good. So that work we give to Gemini 2.5 Pro to improve the design. All the technical details implemented by the ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 5 is like a backend developer, but for UI, I mostly use Gemini 2.5 Pro. Let's see its implementation. If I open view, main view, oh good. If I want to switch over here, that's good. Let's open the world, actor, agent. So basically the file system files is by the green, light green, and this agent history is by the light blue, and this by the orange changes. Main view dot swift. Let's tab manager, this by the orange. Oh, one issue I can see over here. Main view. I think tab manager is not loaded. If we close this, and if I click over here, this is the tab manager. Yeah, this is the tab manager. So the difference we see in red. So this color, it also looks good to me. I don't have any issue with it to make it design more appealing like a tab. but this looks selected. If it looks involved with the below content, that also looks good. And selected is not very highlighting it. I want it to be a great extent to highlight so that we know. This is also good, but here the patch is there, right? That patch we need to correct. Maybe we can do the design like we make the same color. This white is this, so that this patch will be hidden over here. We can do it manually as well. And the tab over comes here, and let's see what happen if there is a large number of files. Scroll looks to be done. Yeah, it's scrollable. That's very good. Yeah, but now we need to do the next as selected thing should be there on the screen, not inside it. We are going to do it all by telling into the agent. I think you get bored till now. Bye bye.